Hi, everyone. Today's upgrade is an old BMW 7 Series. This is the contents of its packaging. This is its disassembly tool. Everyone according to the situation to prepare. First, we take apart the pitch panel of the original CD unit. Then loosen the screws of the CD host. Then take out the original car CD host, unplug the power on the back. Now let's take apart this plastic panel. We unscrew the screws holding the original car screen in place. Now let's take out the original screen and unplug all the wires on the back. Remove the passenger air outlet and unscrew the nut inside. Loosen the screws holding the mahogany panel in place. Then remove the mahogany panel and remove the screws on the back of the air outlet. Now we loosen the panel holding the original CCC mainframe in place. Now let's remove the screws that hold the copilot compartment in place. Remove the storage box and remove the original car CCC. Now we connect the audio decoder. Plug this plug into the protocol box first. Then we pull the wire out of this end. Then pull out the fiber plug of the original CCC. And then pull out this CCC fiber cable. Connect the fiber cable of the decoder box to the CCC fiber plug. Reconnect the CCC fiber cable to the fiber head of the decoder box. Then connect the two. Connect the other end to the CCC host. The BJA of the decoder box connects to the BJA on the nose screen. This GND is then also connected to the GND of the nose screen line. These two red and white plugs connect this adapter to the AUX plug. Now we need to remove the motherboard on the back of the original screen. Reinstall the original car screen motherboard on the back of the new screen. OK, thread the big end of the cord down here. Now let's connect the plug on the back of the new screen. Pull the fiber cable out of its original plug. Insert it into this one. Then plug into the back of the new screen. Connect these plugs again. Now connect the big head. First pull out the original optical fiber cable. Connect this end of the new power cord to the original car. Then insert the optical fiber into the back of the other end of the new power supply, and then connect the new power supply to the original car CD host. The connection is successful. There is no rush to install. First test the sound. We go into the original car system, find the CCC on the voice settings, and tap it. Then go to Android, go to Music and play it. Now let's set the sensitivity of the original mouse. We enter the factory settings, enter the password, find the settings and switch to confirm. No problem. Now we'll install the new screen. Then restore the original CCC mainframe and fix it. Install pitch panels. Retighten the nut in here and install the outlet. Connect the plug on the back of this outlet and plug it in. Fix the new screen. Finally, install the plastic panel. Now, reassemble and secure the Copilot storage box. Refix the main engine of the original car. Finally, install the panel. Installed appearance. You can watch the video here. Support map navigation. You can also download other software. Support door reminder. Support Bluetooth phone. Support CarPlay. You can use the voice assistant here. You can make calls, listen to music, map navigation. Can also use other app software.